white edges on your images makes your design unprofessional and sometimes not nice. And there are some filters in Photoshop that was specifically made to remove all those things from your images so that your images can pop out in your design. And this is what we are going to talk about in this particular video. So let's get started. Our image is imported in Photoshop and it's having a white background. So let's remove the white background, and after that we'll remove the white edges. So to remove the white background, you have to select any of the selection tools. You select this icon, and then because there's hair in it that we have to refine the hair, let's go to select and mask. And in the select and mask, let's make sure that this place the object is on black. Okay, and then let's head over to select subject. Okay, so our object is being selected. So now our object has been selected, and so to refine the hair, let's click on refine hair to refine the hair for us, for the AI to refine the hair for us. Then after everything, let's click on OK. Now the background has been removed, so we have to make sure that we see the white edges so that we can remove it very well. So now that the background has been removed, let's add a black background so that we can see the white edges very well. So the solid color here and then black. Okay, then let's bring it down to the image. And then as you can see, there is this white edges on this image. So these white edges, they are those ones that I'm talking about. So we are about to remove them nicely so that we can use our image on every design to make it professional. So to start, let's select the layer, the object layer, and then head over to filter. And then to filter, we go to minimum. And then to minimum, we make sure that, okay, let me cancel it and show you something. Before you enter filter, make sure that you select the layer mask of this image. So when you select the layer mask, then you head over to filter, all the way to other, and then minimum. Okay, so you can adjust this radius to any size that you want. For me, I'll leave it at 1.5. And then this place to make sure that it is at roundness. And then the preview, let's see, before, after. I hope you can see for yourself that the image has been transformed and now the edges has been removed. You can adjust it furthermore. Let's say let's add 1.8 and then before, after, before, after. So when you're okay with it, you just press an OK, and now your image is ready for any kind of project, neat and professional. If these tools are new to you, let me know in the comment section, and if you have learned something new, to hit on the subscribe button and then like this video. If you want to master the type tool, or you want to avoid some petty mistakes in using the type tool, or you want to learn how to write in a circle in the right way, click this video on the screen. Until next time, quench not your creativity. Peace.